Trading on Nadex can be a straightforward process, especially for beginners. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started with binary options trading. Open and fund your account. First, go to the Nadex website and sign up for a new account. Provide necessary personal details and complete the verification process. Once your account is set up, fund it using a bank transfer, ACH or wire transfer. Choose a market. After logging in, browse available markets for binary options. Nadex offers several assets, including forex pairs, stock indices, commodities, and economic reports. You can filter markets by asset type, expiration time, and time of day. Understand binary options. A binary option on Nadex is a yes or no contract that expires at a set time. You predict whether the price of an asset will be above or below a specified price at the expiration. The price is quoted from 0 to 100, where a price of 100 indicates a win and 0 indicates a loss. Place a trade. Once you've selected a market, decide if you want to buy or sell. Choose how much to risk per contract and submit your order. Monitor and exit. You can monitor your trade as it moves toward expiration. If you wish, you can close the trade early for a profit or loss. When it expires, you will receive your profit or lose the amount you risked. Withdraw funds. If you make a profit, you can withdraw the funds via your preferred payment method.